Hey Sunfam, so today I just want to do an unboxing video. Well, not really unboxing, like showing you stuff. And second, I just want to say that I'm probably gonna start doing like unboxing videos, vlogs, stuff like that. And because first, all my gaming accounts got hacked, like for example Roblox, Moostar Planet, um, other accounts as well. Like I had one Roblox account or two. I don't actually remember, but I had a main Roblox account and I had it for 4 years and had so much Robux on it. It had Builders Club, which my mum cancelled because I told her that to not pay for it because obviously I don't want the hacker, aka my ex best friend, to like enjoy the Builders Club. And all my MSP accounts, like I don't know, I had so many of them, like 8 or 9. She hacked all of them as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And now let's go on with the unboxing video. Well, not unboxing, just like showing you squishies. So yesterday I went to the shop and I saw these like squishies, and this is a checklist, and it's called Pooies. I know it's backwards for you guys, but it's a weird name, Pooies. But all the squishies are like poos, but like different kind of poos. So you got the sparkly poos, you got the animal, no, these are scented poos, you got the animal poos, and then you got the colourful poos. And then on the bottom you always also have like the striped poos, and that one, which says avoid this poo, but it's backwards for you guys. And I unboxed 4 squishies, so I'm going to show you guys them now. I'm sorry also about the lighting. Right now I've got like this kind of light lamp above me. I'll try and sort out a better lamp and a proper camera because right now I'm using my phone. But I might ask my brother to like edit for me because he's pretty good at editing on his YouTube. But yeah, I'll show you all the squishies. So first up, let's start with my worst one, and it's this one because it stinks. It actually stinks like nail varnish. It stinks so bad. And it's kind of pretty though. It's got like a little face. It's sparkly and it's blue, which is my favorite color. It's pretty slow rising, and keep in mind I got all of these squishies for £1.50 each. So that's a really good price for like the slow rising. Okay, and then that one's in the sparkly poos section, and it's the blue one. So next, let's go on with my second worst one. This is the rainbow one, and I'm annoyed kind of because it's not really rainbow. So it's got green, yellow, orange, and then blue. And the face is kind of cute though, like all the faces are cute. They're both slow rising. I love the texture of this one though. It's like so smooth and like buttery kind of. There we go. And then my my second favourite is this one, and this is in the colourful poo section as well. It's in the blue and purple one, and it's got like a blue tip, a darker blue kind of in the middle, like kind of purpley bluish, and then purple on the bottom, and the face looks like that. And then they're all like really slow rising, and they're really like smooth and buttery kind of. So yeah. And then my favourite one is the cutest one. It's a dog poo, and it's in the animal poo section, and it's so cute. The face is super cute and super slow rising. It's one of the most slow rising like squishies I ever had. Well, actually probably not. I had other squishies and they were really slow rising, but yeah. Now let's squeeze them all at the same time. Well, not squeeze, squish. Oh, this is kind of hard. You need some strength to do this. It feels so weird when it like rises up because it just goes big. So yeah, that's all the squishies, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you're new, please subscribe. Also, if you want me to do more like videos like this, comment down below, and like if you want, like give me kind of ideas for what videos I should do. For example, how to make slime, or more unboxing videos, and I'll order some stuff and then I'll unbox it and show you my reaction. Not like these because they came in blind bags, but I forgot to record my reaction. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!